Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make black sesame bread rolls. This black sesame seed bread is crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. You can make it into sandwiches or just toast it and put some butter on top and enjoy it. This bread can be eaten in many different ways. So, let's get started. First step, combine all ingredients. Combine warm water, dry yeast, and sugar in a large bowl and stir well. Next, add the flour, black sesame seeds, and salt and mix until the dough has come together. Then turn it out onto the counter and knead. Second step, knead the dough. In the beginning, put your weight on the dough and knead it. Once the dough is no longer sticky and it's smooth, knead it in a stretching motion. Repeat stretching and gathering the dough until the surface is smooth. Then move on to first fermentation. Step 3. First fermentation. Cover the dough to prevent it from drying out and let rise at room temperature until double in size. This time, it took about 50 to 60 minutes. Step 4. Check the first fermentation. If you insert your finger into the center and the dough remains into the shape of your finger without rebounding, it is the sign that fermentation is complete. Release the gas from the dough and massage it. Step 5. Making the bread roll shape. This time, I'll be making the bread roll shape. So, I will divide into the portions each. I divided into the 4 parts this time. Once separated, roll the dough and let it rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will start shaping into the bread rolls. Roll out the dough into a rectangle shape and fold each long side inward and then roll it the dough again. After that, pinch the long sides together and load the dough until the forms a nice stick. Once all the dough has been shaped, move into the baking sheet. Step 6. Second fermentation. Cover the dough to prevent it from drying out and raise at room temperature until it has increased in size. When the fermentation is about to finish, turn on the preheat on the oven. Place in the water on the bottom and warm it up 200 Celsius. I'm going to use the steam to bake it. Step 7. Baking the dough. Sprinkle flour on the surface on the dough, score it, and then bake it. Once the preheating is complete, start baking. It's 18 to 20 minutes at 200 Celsius. After 20 minutes, the bread is nicely came out. This bread is slightly crispy on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. The bread had a nice flavor of black sesame and I couldn't stop tasting it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!